make sure to subscribe, like, and find the hidden skeleton in the video. Comment where did you find the hidden skeleton in the video? Now. Okay, class. Today that we're gonna learn about social studies. And by the way, and we're gonna learn about social studies. And if you want to learn, to get more learned. So, what is the first president? You raise hand. Oh, George Washington. Oh. Gamer headset. How dare you say it out loud? That is it. You're not gonna get the answer today. Whatever. At least I'm gonna get an F. Okay then. Yes, it's George Washington. Who was the first black person? Who was the first black president? I know. The first black president in the United States. I know. What is it? Barack Obama. You are correct, Krishan. Or the first black person might be Barack Obama. I don't know. Yeah. Billy's mind. Man, this leader sucks. Always learning about these stupid answer questions. Hey, that's it. I'm gonna try to pull down the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Hey, what are you laughing about, Billy? Nothing. I'm just laughing because Tristan told me a joke. Oh, okay then. Let's just go back to the answer. Alright then, wait. Before you do, may I use the bathroom? Yes, sure. Use the bathroom quickly. Alright, now's my chance. Now it's my chance. Class. Attention all staff. This is not a drill. Fire alarm was there. Make sure to put them in line to beat them safe. Okay. Now I need to run away. Hey, that must be him. I must talk to him. Right freaking now. Okay, class. Did one of you guys made it? Wait, where's Billy Bill? Oh no, must be gone. Oh. Billy, how dare you pull down the fire alarm? That is it. You're suspended for 1251515161515615152119219 years. And we are going to tell your parents about this. On. After school in Billy. After school. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Billy. How dare you, Billy? How dare by pulling down the fire alarm? That is it. You are grounded for 26151999215199625199925199921 years. Go to sleep. Go to sleep until dinner's ready. Why? If you guys liked the video, make sure to subscribe.